Good afternoon, YouTube. Bearded guy Jeff Lawless with you. Been started early this morning, about 7 a.m. Started building this model. Keep going like I'm going. I'll have it done tomorrow, maybe. I can paint it, bare metal fold. Later on, even after the paint sets up a little bit more, I'm gonna go ahead and put decals on it. I'll turn you around here and show you what we got. '48 Ford. It's a Greased Lightning build. It is Revell model kit. It's the first one I've done the bare metal foil on in a long time, and it turned out halfway decent. Not bad at all. Like I said, I'm gonna let the clear cure a little more before I put decals on it. Got the interior mostly done. It's the decals for the interior for, Greased Lightning build. Kind of ugly, but that's what old boy wants. I'm building it for a friend. There's the engine. Got rear end. Did it all in like a dark steel looking color, I guess you call it. I got to detail the radiator. But I'm going to try to get it done by tomorrow. So, let's see, well, shoot, I got stuff all in here. Dump it out. There we go. That's the kit that it is. That's the way we're building it, just like it's on the box. We're gonna have the reverse chrome, no hubcaps on the rear, and reverse chrome with hubcaps on the front. He wants it just like it is on the box. So that's what we're doing. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, like, share, comment. I enjoy them comments. Appreciate y'all. Go ahead and hit that notification bell. That way you know when I put another video up. But that's it for today. And we're going to get on out of here, and I'm going to work on a little more. So, peace out. God bless, and have a good day, y'all.